Hi guys, it's Shami. So Arteza sent me some watercolors to test with. These are their premium watercolors. This is the half pan set. It comes with 12 different colors and it does come with a little water brush too. I don't really use water brushes, but I will show you a picture of what it looks like. So I'm just going to use kind of my regular brush that I use when I watercolor. So I thought maybe we do swatches and then we'll do a project. I just want to see how beautiful these colors are. I am very happy with their products. They sent me the real brush pens too, and those are fun to use. I've been having a great time using those, so I am excited to see how great these are. It says that they come in half pans and they're a metal box and it's reusable paint when dry on palette. So let's see what it comes with. Open this up. So I already love the container. It's really cute. Some scissors here. Very, very cute. And these are unopened, as you can see. So it has a little palette here, which is nice. Oh, looks like got a little bit off, just a little bit. Very good. And then there's another little place that I can use as a palette. Looks like there's a little piece of paper that protects them, which is nice. We'll stick these back in. And they pop in very, very easily, which is nice. Very good. So these are the colors that you get. So it looks like a really good range of colors: yellow ochre, lemon yellow, cadmium yellow light, Persian blue, jade green, periwinkle pink, fern green, sapphire brown, black, rust red, cadmium red light, and then I will not even try to say that one. There's that one too. Okay, but I will make a list of what they all are. But I do not want to slather the names. So let's kind of wet them down. I think it's a really good size palette. Plus you have this little metal thing. I don't know if you can, let me close it first so you can see. So if you were doing some painting or you were using your hands, you could just hold it, which is very convenient. Very good. So let's kind of see. So I'm going to give these a nice little spray first. Very good. Hi guys, so I just wanted to swatch the colors with you so you can see how beautiful they are. So I am using my Canson watercolor pad and I'm going to use just a regular watercolor brush. I am not so good at using watercolor brushes. I feel like I don't have any control, but I do think that it's a wonderful value that it does come with a watercolor brush. So the colors, after I'm done with these swatches, are really, really beautiful. They dry beautifully, and I'll show you that at the end. I'm also going to do a quick time-lapse video of a painting of a pumpkin, so you'll get to see that, and hopefully you're inspired and you make your own kind of Halloween pumpkin or fall pumpkin inspired by the season. It's very colorful because I wanted to use all of these beautiful colors and I really love the way that it turned out. So I'll see you back at the end. I'll give you my thoughts on these watercolors, and thank you so much for watching. Enjoy.
For the kid.
Down on me, rain fell down on me. Dreams I had for years all came down on me. Trust gave in on me, lies came in on me. Friends I had for years all traded in on me. Storms raged in on me, hell came down on me. Nothing left to lose, life caved in on me. Else came in on me, love gave in on me. But in my mind I'm in my mind, I'm in my mind, I'm alive, 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 alive. Like a champion, no. I know, I know, I know. I am champion, I am champion. Hope fell down on me, people gave up on me. Plans I made for years all crashed down on me. Time gave in on me, everything hard on me. Fam I thought was cool, all walked out on me. Luck ran out on me, rocks rained down on me. Pain all in my way, lights went out on me. Change caved in on me, nothing is saving me. But in my mind, I'm in my mind, I'm in my mind, I'm in my mind. I'm alive, 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 alive. Like a champion, no. I know, I know, I know. I am champion, give. I give, I give, I give. Like a champion, I survive, survive, survive. I am champion, time giving on me, everything hard on me. Fam I thought was cool, all worked out on me. Time giving on me, everything hard on me. Fam I thought was cool, all worked out on me. Luck ran out on me, rocks rained down on me. Pain all in my way, everything hard on me. Time giving on me, everything hard on me. Fam I thought was cool, everything hard on me.
For the kid.
Swatches, this is how they turned out. The colors are really nice, and they blend very well, as you can see. So I think these are great value. They're not really chalky or anything like that, so you don't have to worry about that. And I'll show you my pumpkin, which turned out really great. And the great part is that you're able to layer colors over the top of each other. So I did the initial colors first, which you saw in the video, and then I let it dry, and then I did this purpley black color, which I love. I think it makes everything pop out, and it makes shadows. So I think that it's a really good value. Now, Arteza wants to make a special offer for you guys. So if you use the computer code Shami Dixon 1, it will be valid until November 10th, and you'll get 10% off of whatever product you want from their website. So that's a pretty good deal. So I hope that you check out their website. Hopefully you will get a set of these wonderful watercolors. I definitely have enjoyed using them, and I will see you guys later. Have a wonderful day. Sorry so much for my voice. I'm sick, so wish me to get well, please. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Have a wonderful day. Bye. So guys, don't forget to check out the description box for links to the exact watercolor set that I'm using, and also to their website and the coupon code. Okay guys, bye.